Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, I can ask, what is holding you back? What's stopping those dreams of yours coming true? Is there anything that I could help you with? Is there anything you're unsure about that you just want to, talk over with someone? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. When your head hits the pillow tonight, remind yourself that you're alright. You're doing a great job. Be patient with yourself. And remember that big things are achieved not all at once, but one day at a time. When you get into bed and you try and go to sleep after another busy day, why is it? It's that moment that your mind wants to talk to you about everything. Whatever you do to try and block it all out, remind yourself that you are doing well. You're doing the best you can, and it will all eventually come together. Progress every day will lead you to great things that you truly deserve.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.